Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Amerigo Designs and I'm famous for this oyster knife. So I've been making this knife for over 5 years, but I've never been really happy with the packaging. So today I'm gonna work on that and you can follow along how I engineer this unboxing experience. So the machine now knows where it is, the workpiece is in place, the milling cutter is in there. I'm gonna add some dust extraction. So this is a vacuum system so that all the dust will be sucked away. And then we'll start the process and start cutting the case. This is where we end up with. That's the final end result. So this is the case, it's attached with tabs. I have some more here which I have to stand up, but that's where the knife goes, that's where the oil goes. So the case has now been mailed, sanded and oiled, and it's ready for assembly and shipping. But before I do that, I need to add some items. Of course, the first thing we're gonna add is the knife. So this is number 25, and we'll add it in the case. The next thing is ballast oil. So every knife comes with a bit of oil for knife maintenance. Then we have the certificate and the manual. So today is 05/06/2019, and this is knife number 25. And then we'll add this to the case. That goes in there. Then we have the case cover, and then as a final we have this wrap, which we now need to fold, and this is the moment I always hate because I should have paid better attention in second class. Well, and there we have it, the final Amerigo Designs oyster knife case. So it's now a really nice packaging. It's really nice to give as a gift, but it's nice and protective and it has everything you need. So thank you very much guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to order a knife, please visit my new website www.madeforoysters.com and I'd love to make one for you. Thank you very much.